Hey guys, Goreshack here, and this is going to be a different video. Maniac Manny asked me if I could review Lollipop Chainsaw game, and I am doing it for him. So Maniac Manny, this video is for you, buddy. And I'm gonna review Lollipop Chainsaw. So I'll just pop her in, and now I beat the game, and it is pretty good damn game, man. Yeah, this game took a while to come out, so I waited a long time for this game. But it is an awesome game. I highly recommend you pick this game up, like if you're a gamer and like hot chicks with chainsaws chopping up zombies, man, to pieces. It is just a great game. It was really worth the purchase. I just like this. So I'm gonna play while I do Lollipop Chainsaw here. Like, come on, who doesn't like hot cheerleaders? Like slicing and dicing zombies, man. Yes. There's a mission. Well, it's not a mission, but it's a achievement. You gotta actually use the camera to try to look up her skirt. You get a achievement for that. Okay, here I'll just turn it up a little bit. Okay, let's game start. And yeah, it's I think the game is actually 6 hours long. If you like, so it took me more than 6 hours probably. Yeah. Let's see, where should we go first? High school, why not? So, yeah, one hell of a fun game. Now, the only disappointment I have of it, it's a really pain in the ass, like when you get knocked down by zombies when they come up behind you or just knock you down. You have to constantly hit the circle button, which is a pain in the fucking ass.
Nick. Oh. Julia? What? Am I okay?
Yeah.
It's funny as hell too. Like Nick is a pretty funny guy, man.
I feel good. Julia, I'm not a zombie. Not at all. What? Oh no.
I had to.
Oh God! Oh fuck! Ah, no! Fucking body!
Fucking just awesome stuff here, man.
Don't get mad. I didn't know what to do.
How am I still alive? How am I still talking without a fucking thorax?
I performed a magical ritual on your head. It was really hard. And I don't mean to be a jerk, but I think maybe just a little bit of appreciation is in order.
San Romero.
Did you chop off your head?
That was a nice throwback to George Romero. So I thought that was pretty cool. And they actually have like
How do you know how to perform a magical ritual on my
They mention
Um,
Lucio Fulci too.
uh,
Like, yeah, there's a level where it's like
stuff I didn't tell
called
you
the
before.
Fulci Fun Center.
I didn't want you to think I was weird. I'm kinda, sort of...
There are a lot of fucking costumes in this game, man. Like, just a shitloads.
Don't know how to say it exactly.
Zombies! Zombies! Coming to kill us now!
I'm a zombie hunter.
What? Ah! Ah! Oh, fuck!
Just an awesome, fun game. I can't believe how fun this is, man. There we go.
Oh,
So.
come on! What the fuck is going on here? Hey, it's making me dizzy!
We'll pick up some antacids later, Nick. Right now we have to...
Pretty cool combos there is too. You can like, you can go. Bye bye bye. Woo! So it's a fairly long game. Oh, see what I mean? Well, I didn't get knocked down there, but there's one combo where you like do the splits.
Stupid zombie!
Right, there we go. Oh yeah. It's got some pretty funky music in this game. Awesome stuff. This is one of her alternate outfits. It's, yeah, see, you use that camera here, but she kind of covers her bum so you don't see it. It's more better with the skirt, but tight short jeans are fucking awesome, man. And she like, oh, yeah, okay. Holy shit!
Something exploded. What the hell was that?
There's a lot of items here that you can like destroy, like benches, garbage cans. Basically everything but the kitchen sink. Okay, go in here.
Hey, it's Mr. Fitzgibbon.
There's fairly like bosses in this game that are pretty cool. You got like school teachers, you got like fucking Vikings, and it's pretty cool. Man, waiting for this game was such a excruciating, man. It took a while to come out. They kept saying release dates and changing them, but it just jumps out the window. Yeah, there's like a lot of lollipops, and there's some that are hidden too. So
What's this? A bomb?
That's royally effed up.
That's some whack shit!
that's some wow shit. Even lockers, there's like hidden items, and you get coins for saving students, and
I'll take care of them.
Leave me alone! Get away! Help!
they're like beating the shit out of this guy, man. Yeah, you gotta try to save them, and you unlock some goodies. And they reward you with some pretty good coins. I love that move. Just split them right in half and a rainbow comes popping. A rainbow comes shooting out.
The best calories.
Her favorite lollipop is strawberry. I think this. Oh shit! There's another student. Boom. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff to unlock, and it's called the Chop to Shop. You buy a lot of stuff with your coins and stuff, like music, MP3, tunes. Oh, here we go again.
I fucked up my math test.
Now there's, I haven't tried this game on like hard, but it's not really hard game. There are some bosses that are pretty hard, but not too difficult.
I never thought I'd be saved by someone with such great tits.
Coins! Great tit boobies! So yeah, Nick's pretty. He's a comic relief kind of guy, man. Funny shit. James Gunn, who wrote the screenplay for Dawn of the Dead remake, which was really awesome, and directed Slither. Actually did some writing for this game. He was pretty heavily involved in this game, which was pretty cool. James Gunn's a pretty cool dude, so. And there's some goodies in the lockers here. So, after you beat the game, you can like go back to levels and like try to like get stuff that you didn't the first time around, so. Oh, here we go. Maybe this guy's got something to say.
Let's go hang out after school.
Nah, I think I'll pass.
Hey, it's Mr. Fitzgibbon again.
Terrible.
Gave me a D last week. Kill him.
Fuck you. So, oh, there's that circle button. It's a pain in the fucking ass. But fuck you, Fitzgibbons. Ah. Yeah, so. Oh, zombies strapped with bombs.
Fuck. I think that zombie seriously had dynamite strapped to it.
Why would somebody do that?
Fuck. Because they're fucking crazy. For the size of girl she is, man, she can pick up a pretty nifty chainsaw. Okay. Oh. Serve wound. The cops just got fucking rolling. Fuck.
That was close.
That'll make the 5 o'clock news.
Don't mind my cat Eric. He's like been meowing today. Ain't that right, little Eric? Yeah, I still have a lot of stuff to buy, so I'm...
Zombie might work. Hey, Nick. We need to
This is a
break
pretty
that
cool
wall.
thing to do.
Need
You
a
put
hand?
Nick's head on the
Yeah,
body.
right. I don't have a hand to give.
Well, not yet, but that spell I cast on you gives you some magical powers.
What?
Like maybe I can connect you to this zombie's body and you can temporarily use it.
Huh?
Just like this. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa. Whoa. This feels weird. I'm blue and stuff.
Boom! So that's pretty cool how Nick can help you with some things.
Lard-ass baby. Nick, look. If I use this ticket, I can totally use your cool powers.
Whatever, dude.
Oh, here's the chop to shop menu. I don't know how many coins I have.
I wonder what they have.
There's like health and upgrades, awesome skills, threads, MP3, music, art collection, cool costumes.
Click, click.
Ooh, we got American. I don't have enough right now. Bunny costume. I got all these when I beat it the first time, so.
What should I get?
Damn, I don't have enough. Ooh, a striped bikini.
What should I get?
Medals.
Click, click.
Ooh, Japanese made. Yo. Yeah, there's lots.
Click, click.
Let's see.
What should I get?
There's platinum medals.
There it is, there it is.
Have to get more coins to get some. But it's. Ooh. Oh, where do we go?
Awesome.
You ready? I love it, baby. Nick shake.
The neck shake. Holy sh! Oh shit! I couldn't save Buddy. Maybe? Oh shit! Too late. I was busy doing that neck shake.
You're late, Juliet.
I still got coins. Oh, I guess I did save them. Never mind.
Looks like the jerks trapped us in here.
Oh, wait.
Later on, you actually meet Juliet's family. Her family's pretty fucked up, man. Her one sister is actually pretty fucking crazy. She's got this. She's really obsessed with driving big trucks and like tractors and stuff.
Thanks a lot. What's the deal, dude?
Zombie cop. Fucking lame.
Oh, these cops are fucking annoying, man, with their guns and stuff.
A zombie with a gun? No fair.
And oh, yeah, there's that button I was talking about. Right in two, baby. Like, you guys will have a fun time with this game. Like, when I first played it, man, I couldn't put the controller down. Oh, fuck. Holy fuck, man. You'll blow you to Crystal Lake, man.
We need to hit him and run away before they explode. Come on!
Yeah, you don't want to stick around when you hit them, man, or you'll get blown to bits. Because the bomb will go off and... Fuck. Happened. Oh.
What the heck is this?
Just come over here. Woo! That was close. Just hang. How's it hanging? Oh, fuck. There's a pretty cool thing. It's called zombie basketball. And there's actually zombie baseball. It's like mini games. They're pretty fun. I gotta get that striped bikini, man. Costume, man.
Ooh, we don't have this one yet.
Award me.
Zombies
Woohoo!
totally pulled my underwear out my butt.
Ah, fucking boom! Pom-pom bash him. That's a pretty cool combo. Like, sometimes you get, like, fucking raped by zombies. Not literally raped, but, you know, like, ambushed and stuff. Oh, I hate these ground zombies. Fucking annoying. Oh.
Look what those jerks did to our school.
Yeah, but it does get me out of my calculus homework on Friday.
Nice reaction on buddy. He's like, ah!
I'll be back for you!
You dick!
Cool, asshole!
What a fucking dick knobber, man. Fuck, man. Oh, love this. This is awesome. I like this part where he spins around on the pole. Woo! So this is one Lollipop Chainsaw that's worth a lick. So, if you guys haven't played this, then get into it. If you love horror and video games and hot blonde cheerleaders, man. Let's go around here. Look, these fucking goddamn bombs, man.
That's the dude who stranded us. And he's getting what he deserves.
Let them all die, Nick.
Yeah, I can't believe the content you get in this game is like, holy smokes. What the hell? The guy's seeing stars. Oh, I thought she said piss off. I guess she said chainsaw.
So what are you gonna do?
Yes, they actually have
Watch me, Nick.
Ash's costume, which is cool, from Army of Darkness. Woohoo! Sparkle hunting zombies. I got 3 of them. I think we're pretty close to...
I need to find Morikawa-sensei. He'll know what to do.
Who's that?
Morikawa-sensei. He's my sensei.
A sensei? Like a teacher?
I didn't know you spoke Japanese, Nick.
Well,
This bitch is crazy.
Nico hanashimasu.
I can't speak Japanese, Juliet. I just know that one word.
Aw, your simple innocence is one of the most attractive things about you.
Yeah.
You're like a kitten that doesn't speak Japanese.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, her family is really whack, man. Her dad gives Nick a hard time. Fuck. Her one sister ain't crazy. She's like a sniper, so she comes in handy, but she's not crazy like Rosalind. Man, fuck, that is one cuckoo bitch, man. Coins! So I hope your guys' summer is going cool. Mine's pretty cool. Yeah, I've been playing Gears of War 1 lately, so after I beat this, of course. Kick-ass. It's got great music in this. This is one huge fucking school, fuck.
There's something else written. It says zombie basketball. Time limit 3 minutes.
Here we go, zombie basketball.
What? Game's already started.
And you do have to beat this, so
How many points can you rack up? It seems like a one-sided game. 3 points.
ball in.
What do we
You gotta
have to do
get
this
past
time?
100.
Basketball? Why basketball? Just don't throw my head into the hoop.
Time to get to work.
Shot.
You gotta watch out for some zombies. There's like a big guy that comes and like backstabs you from behind. And they just keep coming non-stop until the time limit's gone. Well, I'm at 57 here. Three points.
Zombies are getting slaughtered. Incredible.
I think you can only get up to 101. You can't go any further than that. So. My reward, a lollipop.
Where's that voice coming from? Strawberry is my favorite.
We need to get out of here.
Oh, shit. Let's see how much stuff I got here.
Time to shop.
A bunny costume. That's pretty messed up.
Click, click.
Oh, those are medals. Only got 14 medals. Got a long way to go, man.
What should I get?
Got some skills here, so.
Click, click.
Yeah, so.
What should I get?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. So when I pre-ordered it, so I actually got like a. It's not really big, but it's a inflatable chainsaw I got here. I thought that was pretty over. I expected this to be a little bit bigger, but you know, but can't complain, man. Little inflatable chainsaw. So yeah, I recommend you picking up this game if you like games. And hot cheerleaders and zombies, so great game. Lots of stuff to unlock, so
What should I get? Click, click.
so that's my review for Lollipop Chainsaw. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And Maniac Manny from Horror Squad, I hope you liked this video. Thank you for suggesting that I should review this game. You know, I had fun doing this. There'll be other games that I'll review too, so in the future, so look forward to those. So tomorrow's Friday the 13th, so I hope you guys look forward to Friday the 13th. I know I am. So see you guys in my next video. So thanks for watching and subscribing, and take care. Keep it gory. Take care. Bye.